Welcome friends. In this video I am going to evaluate triple integration. A simple example I have chosen to evaluate. Here a triple integration is from 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to c, x square into y square into z square dx dy dz, and the limits what you can observe here are all are constants. If the constant limits are there, then we will evaluate in the order as the given derivatives dx, dy, dz. First we will integrate with respect to x, then with respect to y, then with respect to z, because of the given order. The limits are in the constant form. I will rewrite the given limits as integration from z is equal to 0 to a, integration from y equal to 0 to b, and inside integration I will write it is from x equal to 0 to x equal to c, x square y square z square into dx, and I will put the bracket which I am going to integrate first, and remaining terms I will write as it is dy dz. Therefore first I am going to integrate with respect to x. Therefore my next step is integration from z equal to 0 to c, integration from y equal to 0 to b, and here while integrating with respect to x, y and z are treated as constant. Therefore y square z square both are constants. Therefore I will write as it is y square z square, and the integration of x square with respect to x is x cube divided by 3 between the limits x equal to 0 to x equal to c. Okay, and dy dz carry as it is, because I am going to integrate next with respect to y. Before that I will to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit for this x. Here 1 by 3 is constant. I can write it outside 1 by 3 times integration from z equal to 0 to c, and integration from y equal to 0 to b, and here y square z square into upper limit x is replaced by c. Therefore it becomes c cube minus lower limit x is replaced by 0 cube, and this 1 by 3 is taken already outside into dy dz. Now this c is also constant, c cube also constant, it is independent of x, y, z. I can write it outside, and then I can integrate with respect to y. I will write one more step here as c cube divided by 3 integration from z equal to 0 to a, it should be a here, and then integration from y equal to 0 to b, and here y square z square into dy. I will put the one more bracket which I am going to integrate, and then dz as it is. Now you have to integrate first with respect to y now here. Okay, to integrate with respect to y, c cube by 3 constant, integration from z equal to 0 to a as it is, and then integration while integrating with respect to y, z is treated as constant. Therefore z square as it is, and integration of y square is y cube divided by 3 between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to b into dz as it is. Now put y as upper limit minus lower limit, what I am going to get. Therefore again I will take 1 by 3 outside, that becomes c cube divided by 3 already there, 3 into 3 9, integration from z equal to 0 to a, z square as it is, and upper limit for y, that becomes b cube, correct, y is replaced by b cube minus 0 cube into dz. Okay, now again 0 cube is 0, b cube is again constant, it is independent of z. I can take that also outside. It can be written as b cube c cube divided by 9, integration from z equal to 0 to a, and it is z square into dz. Okay, therefore here it's b cube c cube divided by 9 is constant as it is, and then I have to integrate z square with respect to z. Only one element has remained. Therefore, its integration will become z cube divided by 3 between the limits z equal to 0 to z equal to a. And now upper limit minus lower limit for this z, that becomes b cube c cube divided by 9, and this 3 also taken common outside, it will become 27. Upper limit minus lower limit, that is a cube minus 0 cube. Therefore, my final answer becomes a cube b cube c cube divided by 27. This is the how to evaluate if the triple integration, if it is given with a constant coefficients. And same example in another way also I will solve. If it is a product between 3 terms is there, then also this example also can be solved in the different way. That is, let me consider other method. This method is applicable only when the limits are constant as well as it is product of 3 terms is there. Integration from 0 to a, integration from 0 to b, integration from 0 to c, z x square, y square, z square, dx, dy, dz. If it is given like this, okay, it can be solved in another way. It is possible only when product of 3 terms is there as well as the constant limits are there, then only you can apply the other method. That is, I will consider this one as outside limit as same, because I am integrating first with respect to x, then with respect to y, then with respect to z. Therefore, in the reverse order I will take, this is x equal to 0 to x equal to c, this is y equal to 0 to y equal to b, and this is z equal to 0 to z equal to a I will take. And this as a product, if it is there, I can write it as z equal to 0 to a z square into dz, and this one I can write it as y equal to 0 to y equal to b into y square dy, and x equal to 0 to a 0 to c x square dx. If the product, if it is possible only when it is a product of 3 terms is here and here constant limits are there. Therefore, integration of z square is z cube by 3 between the limits 0 to a into y cube by 3 between the limits 0 to b, and this is x cube divided by 3 between the limits 0 to c. Now you can substitute upper limit minus lower limit, and you can evaluate as a cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3 into b cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3 into c cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3. And if you simplify this, what I am going to get is here is this is 0, this 0, 0. Therefore, a cube, b cube, c cube divided by 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Same answer you are going to get, provided this method is applicable, provided they are constant and product if the term is there. Like this, in my next video, I am going to solve if the term is a plus in between there, how to evaluate such examples. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like it and comment. Thank you friends.